Hello! I am going to teach you how to set the transparency of the background of an image so that it'll look better in presentations. I've told you in your presentations that I don't like to see squared off backgrounds of different colors. It doesn't look as good as if you don't have that there. Unless, of course, you find an image whose background color matches the background color that you already have there, and then no one's going to know. Who's the wiser? But oftentimes that's not the case. So here's what we're going to do. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find an image, bagel. There's one right there. Now, once I've found it, well, let's click on images in my search to narrow it down. And where'd that image go? Bagel, 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 bagel. There's a lot of, let me show you why I'm going through. It's difficult to make things transparent. The background's transparent. Very difficult if it's a varied background. You see this here? This picture here, it'd be a lot of Photoshop work and more than I'm willing to teach you to make this all transparent because that's not one solid color. You want one of one solid color. Is that one solid color? No. You can see it's slightly different. Slightly different. But I happen to know that this one here, scroll, is a good candidate because this one here has solid white and I can see that it's white. So I'm going to save it. Right click, not left. If you're clicking on this and nothing happens, you probably didn't do right click, right hand over your heart. Whatever you, I don't care, but right click. Save image as, don't save link as. Save link just saves a link, a bookmark, a URL. Save image as. And where are you going to save it? Don't forget where it's at. Up here, pictures. You're going to have on your Windows desktop, this is the first time you're interacting with Windows desktop, you're going to see that there's a folder called pictures. That's a good place for it because you just know where it's going to be later on. You can really save it anywhere, but you got to remember, and this is just an easy way to remember where the heck it was. So I save it. Let me get rid of that down there. So now let's go up here and I'll show you what it would look like if we just inserted this as it was. Insert image. Now this is a little bit different. We're not searching the web, we're uploading from the computer. My earpiece is going to fall out. No, it's not a hearing aid. It's a Bluetooth thing so you can hear me. Okay. Insert image, upload from computer. I go back up here to pictures, and there's my bagel. I'm going to size it down so I can fit it in that box. But look what happens when I put it on there. Get it nice and lined up. Red on both sides, so it's the very top. Uh-oh, Mr. Gillette does not like that. That is a white background. That looks like the bagel flag. Click on it, press delete. That gets rid of it. So now we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to go to here, and you'll see on Google Classroom that I've showed you, here's this website that lets you edit pictures, lunapic.com. I've also have a link that takes you right to the Make Transparent feature. A little bit of a shortcut for you. So click that. It takes you here and wants you to upload the file. You got to go find that same file. Choose file. You're going to choose it. And it happens to pop up. But if it wasn't there, you click on your folder and there it is. Double click it. And there it is. Okay. It's uploaded it. It's a big bagel. I hope you're not hungry because you probably your mouth's watering for bagels. So click color to make transparent. The color we want to make transparent is this white. So we click it. Now, here's some other stuff. You'll see that it left the center white because it just found all the white that it could find before it found other stuff. Another thing we can do is we can go up here and say, I want to select the transparent color. And look, see? This is pretty universal. You see this checkerboard print here? This is pretty universal for this image has a transparent background. That's a standard in Windows. I bet it's a standard in Mac. I can't speak for Martians. I don't know what they're doing. Why even bring that up? So this is good and transparent. Now this was a good example, a good sample. I already said sample. Candidate. A good candidate for one that was going to be transparent. Well, I'm going up and down with a mouse wheel, by the way. That's why it's bopping up and down. So no, but now we need to save it. We didn't save this image. File, save image. See, I hovered over here, file, save image. Now you want to save it in a, oh, wait a second. Oh, that's not transparent. I didn't hit apply. So let's go back to edit, and where is it? Transparent background. We go back up here. We click on that. We go back to transparent color, and now we click apply. We click on that. Transparent area. There we go. Now we got it. And then we say file, save image. We take another look. There we go. And what we want to do is we need a file format that allows for transparencies. A lot of them don't. PNG does, PNG, or GIF. It's called GIF. It's not called GIF. It's GIF. So I'll save it as a PNG, a PNG. That's a good one because it says it's for transparent. So I save it. I save it. And I'm going to go up there, click on pictures, make sure it goes in the right place. And let's call it, see, look, got a crazy name here. Let's call it bagel. Here's my bagel. Okay. So now we're going to go over to bagel test. And we need to insert this. Insert image, same thing, upload from computer. And there it is there. And now look at that. Goodness gracious, St. Ignatius. It's transparent. And that's what I wanted you to do. Now let's go look at another picture here. You could jump out. If you want to go try it, you could jump out. But let's say that you find one where the background isn't quite as solid. Okay. For that, so you go back here. Remember I said the one that wasn't quite as solid background we got in trouble with? Let's see what happens if we can get that one. Scroll, 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 scroll. Here's this one. It's got shadows. It's got variations of color. Okay. We right click. We save image as. We click on pictures. Oh. If it says WebP, that's a difficult one. Let's see if it works. Let's see if this works. And we'll say bagel with varied background. Save. Okay. We go back to our website. Oh, look, it still has this thing on here. That's okay. File. File, load. Wait, let's just first close this one. Close. Close image. File. Close. Upload image. There we go. Upload an image. Choose file. It allows for WebP. Not a lot of websites allow for WebP, so I double click it. Okay. So here's this thing. Now let's see what happens when we try to make it transparent. We might need to futz with it. So, edit. I remember that transparent background here's at the bottom. See up here, edit, transparent background. And if I click on the one to make transparent, well, look, it did this, see? So you might need to mess with this number here. Apply. See, this is what happens. It's grabbing some of the bagel, but it's not doing this. In that case, find another image or find out how to edit a picture, because that is for something else completely. Know that you can play with this, and what it's going to do is it's going to, wherever that slider went, it's going to keep on trying to find, I probably need to undo last action. It's going to keep on trying to find, be a little more bold in the colors it does it, but it's going to start encroaching on other ones, and that's going to be a problem. So find one that's a good solid background, one color in the background, or you can try with that thing, but that one doesn't work very well. So you're just going to have to make do. Or maybe that little shade was going to look okay in your image. Maybe that was going to look just fine. Thank you.